Want to know the stupid thing about content production? That's something stuck in my sock. I don't even know what it is. That's a piece of metal. The stupid thing about content production, here it is I got that shard of metal as I was walking across here. I noticed it. And instead of stopping and taking it out, I thought this would be a good way to start a video, is have me sitting down, pulling the thing out of my sock and showing you, telling you the story of it. That's the dumb thing about content production. Today, can finish these doors, hopefully go get them installed, and then they'll be gone from my shop, and I'll be happy. Here's a handy little jig for the occasional Euro-style hinge install. Place the jig. I like to flush it up. Don't necessarily have to clamp it down, but I think it's a little bit more secure. These two little things twist and give you the appropriate offset for your style of hinge. I'm installing Bloom hinges, so it's set up for a 3mm offset, I believe. Number 3 on this dial anyway. And pre-drill for the holes. Take the other drill. Helpful if you have 2 drills, but you don't need to. And it's that hard. Now all you have to do is put your screws in and you're done. Friggin' Ryobi. If Milwaukee wants to sponsor me, I'm more than happy to take a sponsor. Doors are done. I'm going to run over and install them. Not going to take you to that because you've already seen it if you go back a couple days. Yeah. So, those are finally out of my shop, and I'm never going to do raised panel arch doors like that again because they're annoying. And I dislike them anyway. These weren't for me. I guess I'm getting paid to do it, so if somebody's going to pay me to do it again, I'll do it again and do it more efficiently and not make the same stupid mistakes. Anyway, have a good one.